चलो हाँ, we are here. So if n is odd, n loops are there. If n is even, 2n loops are there. Okay. Then we studied first loop. Where is the first loop? Right. So in case of r equal to a cos n theta, right? First loop along. Where is the first loop? First loop along theta equal to 0. Okay. R equal to a sin m theta. Where is the first loop? Who remember? First loop along, very important, theta equal to pi divided by 2n. इसको याद रखना है आपको, हाँ? Remember this. MCQ may be asked on this part. Okay. Then third, tangents at pole. Okay. So how to find tangents? Put r equal to 0. That's it. From there you will get the tangents at pole. इतना ही आपको याद रखना है, हाँ? रोज कर्व के बारे में. Okay. Then we studied parametric curve. So parametric curve is given like this. X is function of t, y is also function of t. So t is the parameter, right? You might have understood. Okay. Here we studied symmetry. Okay. Inside the symmetry we have written like this: x equal to f of t, say even function. Y equal to g of t, say odd function. Okay. Then symmetry about y axis. Okay, then second, x, now I'm writing few things only: odd, y even. Okay, symmetry about x axis. Third, x and y both are odd. Symmetry in x and y axis. Symmetry about both x and y axis. Okay. Whereas x and both y, they are even functions. Okay. Symmetry in opposite quadrant. Okay. Next, let me change the page.
Sir,
limitations.
About opposite quadrant.
We have written something different previously. Let me I will also check and I will let you know if something different is written. Okay. So timing, let me continue. So now at this moment checking it is somewhat difficult. It will take more time. Okay. So I'll check and I'll let you know in next lecture. Okay. Limitations. Limitations. So find minimum and maximum value of x and y, and from there you find the rectangle inside which the curve lies. Okay. Then after limitations, with what we studied, x intercept. So to find x intercept, we have to substitute y equal to 0. It gives, what gives? T, few values of t. Substitute t in x equal to f of t. From here we'll get few values of x. Those are the x intercepts. Right. In the same way, to find the y intercept, substitute x equal to 0. It gives t. Put t in y equal to g of t equation. From here we'll get y intercepts. Okay. This point I forget. Origin for same value of t. Right, whatever the value, right? Whether it is t equal to 0, t equal to t1, t equal to t5, doesn't matter. X equal to 0 and y equal to 0. If it is possible, then the curve passes through the origin. Then after that, we taken a table and we have traced the curve. Okay, then we studied cycloid also. Hope you remember cycloid. Cycloid is like this. Okay, now let me go through a few examples. चलो एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं. Let me ask questions to few of you. Hope this is visible. ये विजिबल है? Is it visible? श्रेयस विजिबल है क्या?
Yes, sir.
अरे why attendance is 31 only? Good, very good. Only 31. Difficult to teach you. Okay, let me continue. Roll number 1, Disney is there. Roll number 2, I'll take attendance also simultaneously. Huh? Roll number 2. Yes, no? Question number 1. If powers of y in the Cartesian equation are even, then curve is symmetric about? Roll number 2. Powers of y are even. I told this before some time. Then curve is symmetric about? Roll number 3. Roll number 3.
I present. नाही
Roll
sir,
number
present
who is
आहे.
हाँ?
Roll number 3 mic problem.
बर ठीक है. Roll number 4. Fast है, वेळ घालवू नका. Roll number 4. Absent 5. Absent 6. Absent 7. Absent 8. Absent 9. Absent 10. Absent 11. Absent 12.
Yes, sir.
11. हाँ. If powers of y are even, curve is symmetric about? अरे कितनी बार हुआ ये बताओ आप. Nothing difficult over there. If powers of y are even, curve is symmetric about?
By x6.
हाँ, x axis. Roll number 12. Absent. 13.
Present, sir.
हाँ, 13. आपको ये बताना है कि if the powers of x are even, then curve is symmetric about?
Y axis.
Y axis. Very good. Roll number 14.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, if powers of both x and y are even, curve is symmetric about?
Sir, repeat कीजिए.
It is on the screen now. Question number 3. If the powers of x and y both are even, curve is symmetric about?
Both x and y axis.
Y axis. Okay. Roll number 14 na?
Yes, sir. Both, sir.
15, 16, 16 absent, 17, 18.
Present, sir.
हाँ, 18 आपको बताना है. On replacing x and y by minus x and minus y respectively, curve is symmetric about?
X-axis.
अरे from where you got this x axis? Ax is replaced by minus x. आप देखो ना, तो ये ड्रॉ करो. आपको क्या ड्रॉ करना है यहाँ पे? 1 minute. Like this. Draw x and y axis. X, y, minus x, minus y. Ax is replaced by minus x. Okay, y is replaced by minus y. So we were in the first quadrant, now we are in third quadrant. Right now, x replaced by minus x and y by minus y. So curve is symmetric in opposite quadrant. Simple. You remember in this way. Roll number 19. 19. Hope you are here. So where we are? If x and y are interchanged, then curve is symmetric about? X equal to y and y equal to x. That will give the line y equal to x only, na? So symmetry about the line y equal to x. Question number 5. Roll number 19. Roll number 20. Absent 21. Absent 22. Absent 23. Absent 24. Absent 25. Absent 26. Absent 27. 20.
26 आहे sir.
How much?
6.
26. Okay.
26 sir.
So if x change to minus y and y to minus x, then curve is symmetric about?
X change to सहावा का सर मायनस वन वाय चेंज टू मायनस एक्स सर
हाँ,
कर
x
ऑपोजिट
to
क्वाड्रंट मध्ये
minus
असेल
y
सर.
and y to minus x.
आणि
नाही रे
मायनस एक्स
राजा.
हा अपोजिट क्वाड्रंट मध्ये येईल.
X equal to minus
Zero.
y and y equal to minus x. That will give a single straight line. That is y equal to minus x ना. अरे उसको लिख के देखो आप.
Minus
Y
of
equal
x,
to
हाँ.
minus x and x equal to minus y.
हाँ.
Right here it was not so. We
Y equals
replaced
to
x
minus
by
of x.
minus x and y by minus y. So from here we cannot get anything. We are getting 1 equal to minus 1, which is not true. Since it is symmetric in opposite quadrant. But for remaining examples,
Yes, sir. Y equals
from
to
there we
minus
are
of
getting
x.
the same straight line, and that is y equal to minus 6. Roll number 26.
Minus
27.
x.
Correct. 27 is here. 27 absent. 28 absent. 29 absent. 30 absent. 31 absent. 32 absent.
32 present, sir. 32
32
present.
present. 32. Next question is for you. Question number 7. If the curve passes through origin, then tangent at origin to the Cartesian curve can be obtained by equating to 0. What is to be equated to 0 so that we will get tangent at origin?
Sir, option A.
Absolutely. Lowest degree term in the equation. Very good. Your roll number is?
32.
33.
Yes, sir.
33. I want answer from you. The double point is called as node. If at double point the tangents are, when it is node,
Sir,
tangents
option
are
D.
coincident or different?
Real and distinct.
Real and distinct. 33. Very good. 34. Absent. 35.
Yes, sir.
35. Double point is called as cusp if tangents at the point of intersection are real and equal, real and distinct. What is the answer?
Real and equal.
Real and equal. Very good. 35. 36.
Yes,
Roll
sir.
number 36. Suppose question number 10, dy by dx equal to 0. Then tangent to the curve at that point will be parallel to x-axis or y-axis. अरे whose slope is 0? आप x-axis और y-axis? किसका slope 0 होता है?
Y-axis, sir.
X-axis. Remember it. 36 na? 37. So answer is curve is symmetric. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Question number 10. Question number 11. Roll number 37.
Yes, sir.
37. You tell me answer. If dy by dx equal to infinity, tangent is parallel to
Y-axis.
y-axis. Okay. 37. 38.
Yes,
38 is here. Okay. 38. I want answer from you. If we want to find asymptote parallel to x-axis, so what should be done? Equate to 0 what? Highest degree term in coefficient of highest degree term in x or coefficient of highest degree term in y? Coefficient of highest degree term in x. X axis है तो x axis. Okay. 38. 39.
Yes,
Are you here?
Yes,
To find asymptote parallel to y axis, equate to 0 the coefficient of highest degree term in x or in y? अरे अभी बताया ना आंसर.
In x.
In y रे राजा कुठं लक्ष आहे. Equate to 0 the coefficient, not the lowest degree term. Equate to 0 the coefficient of highest degree term in y. So that will get asymptote parallel to y-axis. Question number 13. 39. 40.
Yes, sir.
Good. So next question is for you. If the polar equation of curve remains unchanged when theta is replaced by minus theta, then curve is symmetric about?
B, sir. Pole.
Symmetric
B,
about
pole.
initial line. Remember, 41. Roll number 41. Absent. 42. Absent. 43. 40. 41, na?
Yes, sir.
41, you tell me the answer. If the equation of curve remains unchanged when r is replaced by minus r, then curve is symmetric about? Symmetric about what? अरे अभी बाकी क्या है देखो ना, अभी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन थीटा रिप्लेस बाय माइनस थीटा, कर्व रिमेन्स अनचेंज, देन कर्व इज सिमेट्रिक अबाउट इनिशियल लाइन। अभी बाकी क्या है, पोल है यार, कुछ पढ़ते नहीं आप। 42, रोल नंबर 42 एब्सेंट, 43 एब्सेंट, 44 एब्सेंट, 44 है आप। हाँ काय रोल नंबर ठीक आहे, नंतर मला तिथे चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकतो, तर काय आवाज येत नाही। 44 आपको बताना है।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, if theta is replaced by pi minus theta and equation of curve remains unchanged, then curve is symmetric about
Sir, option C.
option C, line passing through the pole and perpendicular to the initial line, that is y axis, huh? 44 present. Okay, 45
Yes, sir.
45 आपको बताना है, pole will lie on the curve if for some value of theta, what should happen? R should be infinite or R should be greater than 0 or less than 0?
Sir, R should be 0.
Very good. R should be equal to 0. 46. Present or absent 46? Absent. 47. Absent. 48. Absent. 49. Absent.
Yes,
50. 50 is present. Huh?
49 present, sir.
49. Okay. So
49.
question for 49. The tangent to the polar curve at pole, if exist, is obtained by substituting. What is to be substituted so that we'll get tangent at pole? काय सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं? 49 सांग राजा. 50 रोल नंबर 50 एब्सेंट ना, 51 एब्सेंट, 52
प्रेजेंट सर।
हाँ 52 आप बताइए। How to find tangent at pole?
RG.
हाँ राजा 52 ताई तुमचं काय नाव? 52 What is your name? का नाव ही नहीं है। हाँ चलो ठीक है। 52. What is to be done? R equal to 0 is to be substituted. Someone told the answer. Shreyas is asking बहुतेक. Okay. Next. Question number 19. 52. 53. 53 is here. Absent. 54. Absent. 55. 55. Absent. 56. Absent. 56. Now you have to tell me the answer. For a rose curve, R equal to a cos n theta or R equal to a sin n theta. If n is odd, how many loops are there?
N equal loop.
Very good. N loops are there. 56. 57. 57. Absent. 58.
Yes, sir.
58. कौन है? Who is 58?
ओमकार सिंगापुर है सर।
हाँ सिंगापुर, चलो सिंगापुर के सिंगापुर, चलो
सिंगापुर
आप बताओ। सिंगापुर बरोबर, सिंगापुर गाव ईस्ट कंट्रीज मध्ये जायचं पाहिजे असं काही नाही. Okay, so for the rose curve, suppose n is even, how many loops are there? Omkar san, if n is even, we have written it before some time. If n is even, how many loops are there? Question number 20.
n plus 1 equal loops.
2n equal loop.
ते अवघड आहे रे, देशाचं अवघड आहे रे.
2n equal.
2n loops are there. काय तुम्ही ऐकत नाही, काय नाही, माझी
sir.
चूक आहे, तुमची काय चूक आहे असं म्हणणं जरा, that would be absolutely wrong. Okay, I have taken attendance. Now I have asked questions also and I come to know हम कितने पानी में हैं, ठीक है? So for the polar curve, नहीं, हाँ
मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू हुआ था इसलिए मैं लेफ्ट हुआ था। रोल नंबर 23।
रोल नंबर 20
3.
23. 23. Sang re Raja. For the curve, if phi is the angle between radius vector and tangent vector, then what is formula of phi?
Tan theta equals to r d theta by dr. Tan
Option?
phi equals to
Tan phi equal to r
d theta by dr.
Okay, cross check it. Next question, mute yourself. 23,
Tan-
22. आणि
Tan phi
सांग
is-
लवकर. tan phi equal सांग श्रेयस.
r dr by d theta.
R dr by d theta. Very good. Question number 22. The parametric curve x equal to f of t, g of t is symmetric about x-axis A. Who know the answer? When it is symmetric about x-axis?
Y function is
even and G of t is
Y should be odd. So A option. Question number 23.
y even असेल तर सिमेट्रिक अबाउट x ऍक्सिस असणार ना.
हो ना मग. Symmetric about x-axis म्हणजे Y odd ना?
y even
नाही तसं नाही रे. जे ऑड असतं त्याच्या अबाउट सिमेट्रिक असते. That even power, that is different. That we studied in the Cartesian curve. Here we are considering parametric equation, and here we are considering whether the given function is even or odd. Right na? Getting or not? So whenever x is even and y is odd, symmetry about the y-axis. हाँ बरोबर है, तू म्हणतेस ते बरोबर आहे. So f of t should be odd, B option, and g of t is even. That is what you want to say.
yes sir.
Question number 22, B option. Question number 23, symmetry about the y-axis. Therefore, y should be odd. Okay, so A option. F of t is even and g of t is odd. The curve represented by the equation x raised to half. इसको लिखते हैं. Write with me. X raised to half plus y raised to half. किती क्वेश्चन नंबर है? Right, parametric equation. X equal to a cos square theta, y equal to a sin square theta. Okay, this is even. This is also even function. Okay. What the question number is? 24. क्या आंसर है रे 24?
After both x and y axis.
असं दिले की symmetry about both x and y axis. हे जरा थोडंसं कन्फ्युजन आहे. I'll go through this part once again. Okay. I'll send you notes of this part once again. X square plus y square equal to x square plus 1. 25. Write with me. Right. All powers of x and y are even. Symmetry about both x and y axis. Curve is symmetric about both x and y axis. Okay. Question number 26. R square theta equal to a square. So we want to check the symmetry. So r replaced by minus r. No change. No change in the equation of curve. Symmetry about, yes, anyone? Symmetry about the pole. R replaced by minus r. There is no change in the equation of curve. So curve is symmetric about the pole. Okay, 27. The curve represented by r equal to 2a sin theta is symmetric about. Write with me. If we replace r by minus r, change. If we replace theta by minus theta, change. If r is replaced by minus r and theta by minus theta simultaneously, there is no change. Okay. So symmetry about theta equal to pi by 2 or y axis. See what options are given to us. 27, symmetry about theta equal to pi by 2. Okay. Question number
Option
20.
D.
Correct. Question number 28. X equal to 8t square and y equal to 280. Okay, I'm writing it. Write with me. Hope everyone is writing. So this is even power, na? Therefore this is odd. So symmetry about, yes, anyone? Symmetry about y-axis. Odd, na? Y is odd, na? Therefore symmetry about the y-axis. Please write this. And you can submit this as a tutorial assignment, huh? No problem. Page number 6. 1 minute. Let me go through the next example. 29 now. Asymptote. Acha. X y square equal to a square, a minus x 29. Asymptote parallel to y axis is required. Let me solve it. So
X equals 0.
Powers of y are required. What is power of y? Sorry, I write 2 here. What is power of y in both the terms? 0. So highest degree term in y, xy square. So coefficient equal to 0. So x equal to 0. That's it. This is the asymptote. Okay, question number 30. Hope you might have written. Number of loops, very simple. R equal to 2a cos 2 theta. Right on. N equal to 2, even. Right. Loops. How many loops are there? 4. 2n loops are there. Okay. Right on. Number of loops equal to 2n equal to 4. N is 2. So double of that. Okay. Then next is R equal to a sine 3 theta. Right on. N equal to 3. Write with me. N equal to 3. Odd number. So write number of loops n, that is 3. Okay, 3 loops are there. 32. Example number 32. The curve represented by y square 2a minus x equal to x cube is symmetry and whether it is passing through origin or not, that we want to check. So right, powers of y even, powers of y, all powers of y are even, symmetry about x axis. Now go to the option. Don't find all the points. Now you go to the option. So symmetry about x axis, B option and D option. A and C, they are incorrect. So you mark them. Now B option says that symmetry about x axis and not passing through origin. So substitute, right, origin. Substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. What you are getting? 0 equal to 0. So what is conclusion? Passes through origin. So B option is incorrect. So only one option is remaining, D option. It is symmetric about x-axis and passing through the D option is correct. Right? Symmetric about x-axis and passing through the origin. Getting everyone? Let me change the page. Page number 7. Next example, example number 33. X square plus y square equal to a x square minus y square. Okay, so symmetry first we have to check. So see, powers of x cube is there, right? So they are not even. See the powers of y, even, right? All powers of y are even. Symmetry, curve is symmetric about x axis. Okay, so A, B, C, D, these are the options, A, B, C, D. Right, so B says that symmetry, C and D, they cannot be correct since they say that symmetry about the y-axis. So now we have to cross check A and B. So symmetric about x-axis and passing to the origin, this is the A option. Okay, so origin, now we have to check it for the next point, origin. Substitute x equal to 0, y equal to 0, see what you are getting. So conclusion is 0 equal to 0. So passes through origin. समझते नहीं है? Any doubt? कुछ रिवीजन किया है तो समझ में आएगा. यदि मोबाइल सिर्फ शुरू करके रख दिया है, then not possible to understand. A option is correct. 34. A square x square equal to y cube 2a minus y. हाँ चलो चेक करो आप.
0,2a. Symmetric about y-axis. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Symmetric about x-axis. Sorry.
Symmetry about no. Powers of x are even na.
Yes, इसलिए y-axis.
Powers of x are even.
0,2a.
एक मिनट चेक करेगी. Symmetry about y axis. आता options बघू A, B, C, D. एकच मिनिट हा. Here. So symmetry about x axis. So A option cannot be correct. Symmetry about both x and y axis, wrong. Symmetry about y axis, yes. Last option symmetry about x axis. हो गया, यहाँ पे ये आंसर हो गया. No need to check the second point also. Only one option is remaining. Right? A, B and D option, they are incorrect since they say that symmetry about the x axis, which is not so. Getting? So no need to check the next point also. 35. And if you want to check, you will find that the curve passes through 2a0. How? You substitute x equal to 2a and y equal to 0. No, it is passing through 0 to a. Substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 2a. So C option is correct. 35. Y square 2a minus x equal to x cube. Sradan. Powers of y are even.
Sir, page
बघायचंय का? Okay, powers of y are even. So symmetry about x axis. Now you go to the options. A, B, C, D. These are the options. उसमें से कौन से correct है, कौन से wrong है देखते हैं. Then we'll go to the next property of the curve if required. So example number 35. Here it is. 35 A says that the equation. Sorry, I have not read the question. So please be careful. Read the question. Equation of tangent पूछा है. Please. So be careful. Don't make silly mistakes. So okay, no problem. 2a y square minus x y square equal to x cube. Okay, degrees. So 2, degree of the second term 3, degree of the next term 3. Okay, so how to find tangent? Lowest degree exponential लिखना पड़ेगा. To find tangent to the curve at origin by Newton's method, equate to 0 the lowest degree term. Lowest degree term equal to 0. So 2a y square equal to 0. That is y square equal to 0. That is y equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Okay, these are sorry, ये रह गया. Y equal to 0 and y equal to 0. These are the tangents. चलो लिख दो आप. So it was required to find tangent, not the properties of curve. Please do that. Let me change the page. कर दो change अभी. चलो next example solve करते हैं. Question number 36. The equation of tangent to the curve. चलो 36 भी same ही है. 36. So y1 plus x square equal to x. Lowest degree term लेना है. That's it. Simple part है. Y plus x square y equal to x. Degrees are 1, 3, 1. So lowest degree term separate नहीं लेना है, एक साथ ही लेना है. Y equal to x. That's it. This is the tangent. Question number 36. Understood? Don't take y equal to 0 or x equal to 0. We have to take them together only. Y equal to x. That's it. 37. The equation of tangent. Same here. 3ay square equal to x minus a whole square. चलो लिखते हैं इसको. Simplify. 3ay square equal to x cube after simplification minus 2ax degrees 2, 3, 2, 1. Lowest degree term. So a square x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the tangent. Lowest degree term is to be equated to 0. हाँ asymptote find करते हैं अभी 38. Equation of asymptote parallel to x-axis. Write the equation of curve. Since our aim is to find asymptote parallel to x-axis, degree of x is only required. Be careful. While finding tangent, we are considering degree of x as well as y. While finding asymptote, we have to consider degree of x or y, one of them only, depending upon whether we want to find asymptote parallel to x-axis or y-axis. So degree of x is 0, degree of x is 2, degree of y is 1. So highest degree term in x, which is that y into x square, its coefficient equal to 0. This is the asymptote. Whose coefficient? Coefficient of highest degree term in x, that is x square, and coefficient of x square is y, equated to 0. That's it. This way we have to find the asymptote. Okay, let me change the page. 39. चलो 39 सॉल्व करते हैं. Asymptote parallel to y-axis. Okay, so 4y square minus xy square equal to x. No need to simplify it, huh? Since asymptote parallel to y-axis, okay, powers of y are required. Powers of y. So 2 here, 2 here, 0 here. Okay, so highest degree term in y, 4y square minus xy square. That is 4 minus xy square. Okay, coefficient equal to 0. x equal to 4 is the asymptote. अभी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कब है? एट व्हाट टाइम? अरे ये टाइम भी कुछ याद नहीं रहता. हो गया 150. ऑलरेडी 5 मिनट हो गए. चलो प्लीज ज्वाइन योर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ऑलरेडी आई टेकन अटेंडेंस. यू कैन लीव नाउ. ज्वाइन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर प्लीज.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
ओके.
Bye, sir.
जेवलो कशाच काय? आलो मी तर काम लागलोय आता जेवणार. बोला काय म्हणतेस? कसं तुझ्यावर आकडून करतोय? काय कधी म्हणलं? तू एकाच करत का? अच्छा अच्छा मी म्हणते चालते. चांगलं आहे. करा म्हणून सांगायचं ना वेळ करणार. तुम्ही काय देव आहे सगळं. आमका जेवण नाही चालतं.
Bye, sir.
ठीक आहे चालतंय. चल जेवतो परत मीटिंग आहे खायला.